Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix enable to check for updates. iOS 26, for example, if you want to install a latest software version of iPhone iOS 26 on your iPhone, and if you try to check for software update and you see this kind of errors, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings again, and this time what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to go to general, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on the automatic updates, and here you have to simply turn on the iOS update security response and iOS updates automatically download. Moreover, if you want to install iOS 26 beta, then you can also check for beta updates. So you have to make sure that you have selected the iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone. But if it is selected on off, which means you have turned on the developer beta, then you can simply check for the updates of your iOS latest version. But if you turn it off, then it will be shown your latest version like iOS 18.5. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to automatic updates, and after that you have to simply turn on that iOS 26 developer beta, and after that you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the settings again, and this time you have to click on software update, and here you will find the option of iOS 26 beta. So here you can simply turn on the iOS 26 beta. But if you want to download and install the original version of the software, which means you want to install the original iOS 26, then you have to simply turn it off, beta updates, and after that you have to simply look for the update. If it is shown the iOS 26, then it will be original iOS 26 on your iPhone, but it is not showing still. That means you have to wait for some time so that that update is available to your iPhone. But if you want to download it now, then you have to simply turn on the beta updates iOS 26 developer beta, and after that you will be able to see that iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone, and after that you can enjoy that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.